Also on starters is police officer Delia. Her dish is a traditional sope, another type of top tortilla, this time deep-fried.
In Mexico, we love sopes with salsa, beans, but here it's going to be more complicated. It's going to be a lobster sope. We have white bean puree. We put a good quantity. Then we have this lobster tail. It's cooked in the barbecue.
The sope is then topped with onion and lettuce.
Then we're going to use cheese.
What sort of cheese?
White cheese can be ranchero, canasta.
Yeah, really good.
I adore it.
And served with a spicy tomato salsa.
And what's in this?
You have tomatoes, you have chiles, you have garlic, you have onion. Then our magical powders. Yellow, made from tortilla. And then with the other hand, a little bit of bread.
I mean, I do fajitas or enchiladas at home. I don't do this, and I never do lobster, and that is scaring me a little bit right now.
But before she can cook the lobster, Delia has to make her salsa by grinding tomatoes, onions and chilies in a Mexican molcajete.
I've got to grind this to a puree. I never realised onions were so tough. That is really hard. I'm really hot.
Delia also needs to shape her sope tortillas, which have to be pressed to an exact 1/4 inch thickness before being warmed on the plancha.
You need to do at least 35.
At least 35?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
They then need to be moulded into a saucer shape, which will hold the filling.
That's not right, okay?
No, that's not right, that's fine. They are awful. And I'm meant to do 35 of these in the next sort of 20 minutes.
You want me to send someone to help you? Because this is gonna take a long time, okay?
Yeah.
Danny!
I needed a bit of help. This is my worst nightmare.
Orders are backing up.
The sopes. Let's do it.
I am just making them, so I don't know how many I'm meant to be doing, so...
You have to look your tickets, being like a professional.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
She needs to do like 11 more sopes. Let's see.
Plating up is definitely the hardest thing. It's trying to remember that you've got absolutely everything on there. I've forgotten the onion, thank you.
Yeah, the onion. Don't forget the onion.
I forgot the blooming onions, so I won't forget anything else. Sorry, chef.
Okay, good. 6 langosta sope all day.
Now 6.
Let's do it. Let's finish. Put the energy.
Oh, God. I'll be another minute, Irene.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm never going to shout at the TV again when I watch this, ever. Ever.
Finish with glory. Finish with glory.
They're coming, chef.
Yes, let's go. They look nice, and we are ready to go.
A very pretty dish here from Delia. I love the smell of that tomato and chili salsa. It smells great. You've got light, fresh lobster, which is absolutely delicious. But what really impresses me is the complexity of flavour in what is otherwise looks like a normal salsa. Starts really, really fresh and just creeps up with heat. Really fantastic. Delia would have got a lot out of this.
I'm exhausted. That is definitely the hardest thing I've ever done. You just go in and go in and go in and trying to do as much as you can, and then you realise you've actually forgotten half the thing. It's completely surreal. And I had a really bad dream about this a couple of nights ago, so it was better than my dream, so I'm happy.